product reviews. Actually, maybe we can fit in a product review, but actually heading to the mother and father-in-laws right now to go make them some freaking STUMPTOWN Coffee. If you guys haven't tried that stuff, dude, that brand is freaking legit. So yeah, I would recommend you getting some STUMPTOWN Coffee. Maybe later on down the road, I'll give some suggestions on some roasts. I'm more of a medium roast guy, but to each their own. Everyone likes different types of blends. But enough said about that stuff. I'm not here to review coffees or talk about coffee. But what's up, guys? It's gonna be one of my first posts, vlog posts. I've made several other ones, to be honest, but I just haven't posted them. I need to edit them. I need to understand how to use Filmora. I don't know what any of you guys use on editing tools, but right now I'm currently using Filmora because it's actually a good price. It's not $299 like Apple's Final Cut Pro, which I bet is pretty good, but we can't justify that. I'm not going to be vlogging every day. I don't have the ability to do that. I work Monday through Friday. Sometimes I get called out on special duties, so not cooking duties or priestly duties, but normal duties that my job asks for. And probably going to be the first vlog you guys will ever see, and it might be hella boring. Sorry, there's my NorCal coming in. I'm not from NorCal, but I went to school in San Francisco, college, but I went there for a year. I'm such a poser, just a year, and then I went to another school in Southern California, where I'm originally from. Currently residing in South Texas, near the freaking border. It's basically living in Mexico, and bought my first car here. First car that I've ever owned / financed on my own. A 15 WRX. I got several mods on it right now. I'll go through that maybe on another video, but right now, since we're inside the vehicle, I'll just note two things that aren't, I really don't consider them mods, but they're upgrades, I guess. Nothing that's gonna really, maybe an app, the Cobb Access Port V3, that's, I guess, can be a mod. You know what, screw it, these are mods. I got a Cobb Access Port, which most CB owners probably have, and then I also have recently picked up Grimmspeed weighted shift knob. It's pretty legit. It freaking, along with the setup I have, it changes this freaking gearbox because it's crappy out of the factory, in my opinion. But I got the Grimmspeed weighted shift knob. I also got the Perrin shift stop. That thing is legit. I had a cardboard shifter stop recently. I mean, nothing against cardboard. It was all right. It just, the quality or the material it was made out of, it just wasn't par. It wasn't like Perrin's. It just feels sturdy, and when you're going into first and you're going down into fifth, and it just keeps you in line. With cardboard, I had a lot of play when after several uses, I started getting some play when I try and bump into first, and when you take off the shifter boot and everything, you look at it, it kind of goes with your shift. With Perrin, it stops it, and it keeps you lined up with your I guess your line of travel. That's the best way I can explain it. So that Perrin shifter stop really helped out a lot, along with that Perrin shifter bushing. Really smoothened out the shifts, made me feel more confident when I was going into first through sixth. So if you guys haven't done so already, go with Perrin shifter stop or Perrin shifter bushing. And if you want to liven up the shifts more, go with a weighted shift knob. And I would recommend Grimmspeed, because Grimmspeed's been around for a while, and I trust those guys. I like them, and their customer service is freaking legit. So yeah, that's what's in here. That's, I guess, changed. And if you want to consider fuel pump, because it's freaking literally in the rear, I also have an aftermarket aftermarket fuel pump, which is I can't pronounce the word, DW, Delta Whiskey, 300cc upgraded high flow fuel pump. So that's what's in here that's different, and that's about it, guys, for some little quick intro to my vehicle's mods. Pretty much everything I have is bolt-on. Nothing else nothing's like freaking fully custom. Nothing crazy. I don't think it ever will be, but you never know. I never said I would get all the mods that I have now, and now I do have a lot of mods, in my opinion. But it's a money pit. But hey, if you love it and it makes you happy, it makes you turn around when you leave your car and smile, then do it. By all means, do it. If you have the money, do it. Finance it through a firm. My firm's freaking legit. I know a lot of people are like, if you don't freaking have the money, don't freaking buy it until you get it. But you know what, man? I'm one of those guys that I gotta have my parts. If it's just like $10 or $15 extra in interest, I'll do it. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go to the in-laws. Gonna make them some coffee, have some breakfast with them, and then I'll probably get back to you guys and maybe talk more about this shift setup that I have. But like I said, this is my first vlog. I've made several attempts like for about a month already, and I just can't pull the trigger on my installs because I just feel like you guys want proper terminology when installs are going down, and I think I need to get on that for you all, because I feel like there's some installs that people are afraid to do and don't think they can do, but you can do it. I did it, you can do it. And in regards to that, I'm talking about like air oil separators. People are paying like top dollar just to get those things installed, which I understand, but you can do it yourself. You really can. So I'll just put it on pause because I'm gonna go do some things that I don't want to put on YouTube with my family. And I'll get back to you guys, alright? Peace. So back from breakfast with the in-laws and some legit coffee sesh. So yeah, we were talking about a lot of random shit earlier. About the shift knobs, the shift stops, shifter bushings. Yeah, like I said, I didn't really want to make a product review video or a product install, but I mean, why not? Like I didn't really give a number or a percentage, but with all those 3 little modifications that I did, dude, I really have to say that it's changed the gearbox, if that's what I'm gonna call it. It's changed it by at least 30 plus percent. It's like, it's not as sloppy, it's not as jerky. It feels more dialed in, and I guess it feels more lively, more confident. I feel confident when I'm gonna go and shift, especially when I'm doing faster pulls, which I don't really do too often. I'm not racing, I'm not doing that kind of stuff on the streets. I'm not gonna put any lives in jeopardy. But I mean, sometimes when you get on the freeway, you want to have some fun and have some spirited drive. So it's made this vehicle more fun to drive, and I would recommend you guys check those products out if you haven't done so already. I'll make sure I put the products on the page below, and you guys can check them out, try them out. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go head over to UPS, drop off some photos from my wedding. I'm gonna send it for Mother's Day to my parents. Well, not my parents in particular, but my mom and grandma in particular. I'm kind of late on that, dropped the ball. I'm gonna go do that, and I'll get with you guys and just talk to you guys about what you guys, or what the community expects to see out of people with vehicles in general. Do you guys just want to see freaking daily events on what a person goes through, like a day in the life of, like some YouTube MTV style video, or do you guys just are more interested on car stuff in general? Like, I have a lot of questions, And for you guys that already have a vlog, like what kind of products do you use in terms of filming? What kind of software do you use for editing? That'd be really cool if you guys could put some comments below. Fill me in. This is my first time ever doing this. I'm literally just using a GoPro and a Pixel 2, a Google Pixel 2. So if you guys can give me some advice on that, that'd be pretty legit. So yeah, I'm gonna go head up UPS, and then I'll have like a little one-on-one with you guys and close out the video. For now, I'm gonna turn off the phone and stop vlogging, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. All right? So talk to you soon. So back at the pad, I do have to say, since this is technically going to be my first official vlog, dude, like, what do you guys look for in a vlog? I know I've said that plenty of times. Give me advice, give me tips, give me comments, give me whatever you guys think I can learn from just sticking my neck out and speaking and looking at myself on the camera, which is freaking weird. I don't know how these freaking famous YouTubers and just people in general do it, man. Like actors, you guys are, it just blows my mind how hard it is just to get, how should I say, comfortable with speaking in front of a camera and just speaking. It's freaking hot where I live, and there's a junk ton of mosquitoes. So before I go into the house, this is my car. It's nothing special. It's pretty much a stock 15 WRX. I'm just gonna show you just like a little sneak so I can have some content to hopefully show you some install videos and product reviews, and even if I have to reinstall a product, I will do it just so I can help another person that's afraid or on the edge to go ahead and install a certain mod that they may not have that I do. So that's basically the goal that I have for this channel, is so I could do my best to give you guys, the guys that are on edge to install a mod or don't know how to install mods, a part, to help you guys go through the process, and hopefully it's helpful. Sneak peek. Dirty, as you can see. Like I said, I'm not going to go too much into detail on what I have yet. It's pretty dirty. Whatevs. That's where all the magic happens, right here. Little work area that I can utilize when I need when I need to do other mods or other modifications. And yeah, that's my vehicle. That's a little peek of what I have. Yeah, I'm gonna take the video inside because it's freaking butt crack hot out here and the mosquitoes are relentless. Alright, so taking you into the house. Put this stuff down. As far as this vlog is my first vlog, I just want to give a shout out to Cobb. Thanks for picking me for your guys' Cobb Everything contest. I'm sure there's other people in that little contest. Thanks for this freaking hat. It's freaking legit, even though it's big on me. It's an extra large and I have a small bald head. I have to wear these hat over my ears, cover my ears. But yeah, it's a legit product. I like this freaking material. It's a legit flex fit hat. So thanks, Cobb. And I think it was Adam that freaking picked my photo. So thanks, man. I really appreciate it. I'll try and get an install on that Perrin shifter stop on the next go around and the bushing as well, so I can show you guys. It's relatively easy. You guys can do it, and I just really appreciate you guys for watching this video. And like I said, I just want to help out you guys, and there's some information and tips on what I went through on my install. So I really appreciate you guys again for checking in on this vlog, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.